Welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So, in this video, we'll be discussing multiple choice questions related to class 10th physics. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe the channel. And if you have any queries or any doubt, you can comment below. So, we shall start off with the multiple choice questions related to physics. So, first question here is, a device used to change the resistance of an electric circuit is dash. Option A, ammeter. Option B, rheostat. Option C, galvanometer. Option D, voltmeter. Here they are asking that which is the device through which the resistance can be varied in an electric circuit. So what do you think? What is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option B. That is rheostat. We know that rheostat is a variable resistance. As the name suggests, variable, which can be varied, which can be changed. So variable resistance means it is a device. That is, a rheostat is a device. It is a variable resistance in which we can alter or we can change the resistance. So the correct option is option B, that is rheostat. So what about ammeter? So what is ammeter then? Yes, ammeter is a device used to measure the current. What about galvanometer? Yes, very good. So galvanometer is a device used to detect the flow of current. What about voltmeter? Yes, as the name suggests, it measures the voltage in an electric circuit. So correct option is rheostat. Next, in Fleming's left-hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of the dash. So options are option A, magnetic field. Option B, electric current induced in a circuit. Option C, electric current. Option D, momentum of a conductor. Movement of a conductor. Here they are asking that in Fleming's left hand rule, what does the middle finger indicates? In Fleming's left hand rule, what does the middle finger indicates? So as you know, left hand rule, that is FBI. So F indicates the direction of force, B indicates the direction of magnetic field, and the middle finger indicates yes, the direction of electric current. So in left hand rule, FBI. So thumb stands for force, direction of force, and B stands for direction of magnetic field, and the middle finger or the central finger indicates the direction of electric current. So what is the correct option here? They are asking middle finger indicates. In the Fleming's left hand rule, the middle finger indicates the direction of dash. Yes, very good. So it indicates the direction of electric current. Fine. So next question. A doctor prescribes a corrective lens of a power minus 0.5D to a person. So note it is minus 0.5D to a person. The focal length of the lens and the type is. So you have to find out the focal length for the given power, and also you have to find out which type of lens is prescribed by the doctor in this case. So here they have given power, that is P is equals to minus 0.5D. So what you have to find out? You have to find out the focal length. So we know the formula, that is power is equals to 1 by focal length. So if I take F here, so F will be equal to, yes, right, 1 by P. So we have a power formula, that is P is equals to 1 by F. So if I interchange F here and P here, so I'll get F is equals to 1 by P. Now, F is equals to 1 by P is the formula which we'll be using right now. So F is equals to 1 by P. So what is the value given here? Yes, minus 0.5. So what is 1 divided by 0.5? Yes, right. So F is equals to 2. So here we have negative sign. So I'll place a negative sign. So what is the SI unit of focal length? Yes, the SI unit of focal length is meters. So our answer is the focal length is minus 2 meters. And here they have also asked to find out the type of lens used. So which type of lens is used here? Yes, right. See here, whenever the power of the lens is given in terms of a negative sign, here the power is minus 0.5D. Whenever you find a negative sign in power, then the lens is obviously it is a concave lens. So whenever power value is in terms of negative value, then the lens is used as concave lens. So now we got that the focal length is minus 2m and the lens used is concave lens. When power is negative, it is concave lens. When power is expressed in positive value, then it is convex. So here we got minus 2m as the focal length and the power is given as minus 0.5d. So minus, power is minus. So the lens used is concave lens. So now tell me what is the correct answer here? What is the correct option here? Yes, option A, because F is minus 2m. So F is minus 2m and the lens used is concave. So the correct option is option A. Right. Now we shall move on to the fourth question, that is a nature and the size of the image formed when the object is kept between the principal focus f1 and optical center O of a convex lens is dash. So now they are telling that we have taken a convex lens and we have placed that convex lens between f1, that is principal focus f1, and the optic center O. So now they are asking what is the nature and the size of the image formed. So what do you think? Fine, we shall find out now. See here children. So here we have taken a convex lens. So here we have taken a convex lens and the object here, this is the object and the object is placed between the principal focus f1 and the optic center. So it is placed between optic center and the principal focus f1. So now if we apply rule 1 and 3, so this is the image formed using the convex lens. So here you can see the image formation is denoted by a dotted lines. So dotted lines means obviously the image is, yes, it is virtual. It is formed, yes, it is formed in front of the lens. So the image formed is virtual. So it is virtual and erect. We came to know about that. And you can see this is the size of the object and this is the size of the image. So you can see the image formed is enlarged. So now you can say that the image formed is virtual, erect, and the size of this image is enlarged. So what is the correct option here? Yes, the image formed is virtual, erect, and the size is enlarged. So option A is the correct answer. Fine. So now we shall move on to the fifth question, that is potential difference between two terminals. So potential difference between two terminals of a electric heater is 60 volts. So they are given as voltage is 60 volts. When it draws a current of 4 amps from the source, the resistance of the electric heater coil is dash. So here they have given the potential difference between the two terminal of an electric heater. The component here is electric heater and they have given the voltage as 60 volts. So voltage is given 60 volts. when it draws a current of 4 amps. So current value is also given, that is 4 amps. From the source, the resistance of electric heater coil is dash. So I is given, V is given, we have to find out resistance. So resistance is nothing but R. So we know that by using Ohm's law. By using Ohm's law, we can find out the value of resistance. So now here they have given the voltage has 60 volts and they have given the current I has 4 amps. So now we have to find out the resistance. So that is capital R. So what is the formula to calculate R using Ohm's law? Yes, it is V by I. So V is 60 and I is 4. So when you divide 60 by 4, you'll get, yes, so R will be 15 ohms because 4 ones are, so here 2 will be remaining, so 4 5s are 20. So resistance is 15 ohms. So here we have used R is equals to VI formula. Just we have substituted the value of V, substituted the value of I. So after simplification, we got the value as 15 ohms. So now R is 15 ohms. So the correct option here is option A, that is 15 ohms. So next question is, the diameter of a circular outline of a spherical lens is dash. The diameter of a circular outline of a spherical lens is dash. So options are optical center, center of curvature, aperture, and then yes, principal axis. So what is the answer here? This is the diameter of a circular outline of a spherical lens. So I would like to give you some clue. So see here, the center of the lens is optic center, and what else is given? Center of curvature. So the center of the spheres are called as center of curvature. And then the third option was aperture. So what is aperture? Yes, this is nothing but aperture. The outline of the, yes, the outline of the circular sphere. The diameter of a circular sphere is called as aperture. And then the fourth option was principal axis. So now this is the optic center, and if you draw a line at the center of the lens which is passing through the optic center, that line is said to be principal axis. So what is the answer, children? Yes, the correct option is aperture. The diameter of a circular outline of a spherical lens is obviously aperture. Yes. Next, we shall move on to the next question. The inner walls of a solar cooker is painted black because when you see the solar cooker, the inner part of the solar cooker is usually painted in black paint. So why is that? The options are option A, reflects light, because whether black color reflects light. Option B, absorbs more heat. Option C, prevents from rusting. Option D, converges solar radiations. So here the question is, why the inner walls of a solar cooker is painted in black color? So I would like to post the image somewhere here on the screen. Have a look on this. So in this solar cooker, you can see the inner walls of the solar cooker is painted black. Here the question is, why they have painted in black color? Why not in some other color? Yes, because black color has a absorbing capacity. So it absorbs more heat. We have used black paint. Usually in solar cooker, we make use of black paint because it absorbs more amount of heat in the solar cooker, and the item which is kept inside the solar cooker will also cook easily because the absorption of heat is more, since the item which you are baking inside the solar cooker will also cook faster. So It is painted in black because it absorbs more amount of heat. Okay. So next question. Functions of electric generator is it dash. What is the function of electric generator? Option A, reverses the direction of current. Option B, converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Option C, detects the presence of electric current in a circuit. Option D, converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Here they are telling that what is the function of electrical generator? What is the function of electrical generator? Yes, function of electrical generator is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Yes, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Which is the device used to reverse the direction of current? Yes, you can use split ring or commutator. So commutator or split ring is used in order to reverse the direction of current, which is the device which works on this principle, that is conversion of electrical energy into mechanical energy. Yes, electrical motor. So electrical motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Detects the presence of electric current. Which is the device used to detect the presence of electric current? Yes, it is galvanometer. So the correct option was option D. The function of electrical generator is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So next question. The resistance of a conductor does not, I'm stressing not, does not depend on dash. Length of the conductor, area of cross section of a conductor, magnetic nature. Option D, nature of the material. So the question is, resistance of a conductor does not depend on dash. Yes, option C. Option C, that is magnetic nature. So you have learned that the resistance of a conductor depends upon the length of the conductor, area of cross section of a conductor, and also the nature of the material used. So option C was the correct option, because the question is resistance of a conductor does not depend on dash, does not depend. So it does not depend upon the magnetic nature. So correct option is option C. Next question. A DC generator works on dash principle. So options are electromagnetic induction, magnetic effect of electric current. Option C, heating effect of electric current. Option D, chemical effect of electric current. So DC generator works on this principle, that is electromagnetic induction. Right? So option A is the right answer. Okay, so next we shall move on to 11th question, that is watt. Watt is an SI unit of dash. Options are current, electric charge, electric potential difference. Option D, electric power. So watt is a SI unit of, right, option D, that is electric power. So watt is the SI unit of electric power. Yes. So what is the SI unit of current? Yes, the SI unit of current is ampere. So what is the SI unit of charge, electric charge? Yes, it is coulomb. So what is the SI unit of electric potential difference? Yes, it is voltage. So the correct option here is watt is the SI unit of electric power. Fine. Next question. Observe the table. So here they have given a table. There are two columns. In the first column they have mentioned different materials. So they have just denoted with the symbols, that is K, L, M, N. And towards right hand side in the second column they have mentioned the resistivity of each material. So K is so much, L is so much, M is so much, N is so much. So they have mentioned the resistivity of each material in terms of ohm meter. So as you know, ohm meter is the SI unit of resistivity. Now using this table you have to find out which is the good conductor of electricity among these materials. So options are option A, K, Option B, L. Option C, material N. Option D, M. So now using this table, you have to find out which is the good conductor among these materials. So can you find out which is the good conductor in this material? Yes, the material L is the good conductor, because if you see the value of resistivity in each of these cases, 1.62 into 10 raised to minus 8 is lesser value when compared to other values. Since the resistivity is less, the conductivity is more. The conductivity and resistivity are inversely proportional. As the resistivity is more, the conductivity reduces. When the resistivity is less, the conductivity increases. Since you can see in the table, the resistivity of L is around 1.62 into 10 raised to 8 ohm meter. So this is having lower resistivity. So the material, that is L, will be the good conductor. So option B will be the good conductor. Okay, next, 13th question. One property of a biomass. So you have to find out one property of the biomass in the given options. So the options are: its heating capacity is high, leaves ash residue. Option C, it burns with smoke, its heating capacity is low. So you have to find out one property of the biogas among these options. So we shall see the first option. Its heating capacity is high. Whether the heating capacity of biogas is high? No. Wrong. Next option, leaves ash residue. When you burn the biomass, will you get ash as a residue? No. So option B is also not the correct option. Next, option C, it burns with smoke. Whether it is true? No, it's wrong. When you burn the biomass, it does not release any sort of smoke. So it burns without smoke. So this option is also wrong. So option D, its heating capacity is low. Whether the heating capacity of biogas is low? Yes. So option D is correct. So heating capacity of biogas is low. So option D. So this is the one of the property of biomass. Fine. So next question. Object distance and image distance of a lens are minus 60 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter respectively. Then the magnification of the lens will be dash. So here they have given the object distance, along with that they have given image distance. So the values are minus 60 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter. Then the magnification of lens will be dash. So what you have to do? Yes, you have to find out the value of magnification. So magnification, what is the symbol of magnification? Yes, it is M. So here first we shall write down the given data. So they have given the object distance. So object distance is usually denoted by small u. So object distance is given as minus 60 centimeter. So I'll write it as minus 60 centimeter. So image distance is minus 20 centimeter. So it is denoted by small u, that is minus 20 centimeter. So you have to find out the magnification of lens. So M is question mark. So we don't know. We are finding out the value of M. So we know the formula, that is M is equals to V by U. Yes, image distance by object distance. So what is the value of image distance? That is V is minus 20 centimeter. So I'll write minus 20 centimeter by U. So value of U is minus 60 centimeter. So minus 60 centimeter. So now I can cancel negative sign here in the numerator. Along with that, I can cancel one negative sign in the denominator. And I can cancel centimeter, centimeter. So now we know that 20 ones are 20, 20 threes are 60. So what is left out? So M is 1 by 3. So what is 1 by 3? When you divide 1 by 3, you will get, yes, you will get 0.33. So the value of m is 0.33. Here we have cancelled negative sign in the numerator and denominator, and we have cancelled centimeter, centimeter, and 21s are 23s are. So remaining is m is equals to 1 by 3. So when you divide m 1 by 3, you will get 0.33. So what is the sign here? It is plus. So option, yes. Option C is the correct answer. Right? So we have used m is equals to v by u equation. So hope you are clear with the multiple choice. Still, if you have any doubts or any queries or in any topic related to physics in class 10th, you can leave a comment below. So I'll try to answer those questions. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel, and also share this video to your friends. So thanks for watching, children. Thank you.